What the engineer wants, so what they wanted is to be notified promptly of any electrical event. So it's a very important thing to be notified of what happened. They wanted to have access anywhere, on any platform. The engineer wanted to be autonomous. They don't want to rely on ITs because the turnaround time is really sometimes fast. They want an application that can adapt to business changes quickly so they can be very efficient with the data.
So every measures, every input-output are stored into pipelines, and the settings, are stored into EF attributes. The objective is to apply condition-based maintenance on protection relays. So we are comparing the data that we're getting from our SCADA system with the data from the event files, and then we know if there's something wrong.